Hi, this is Carla from Carla's glutenfreerecipebox.com. I just want to show you another members only recipe, which is gluten-free low carb flatbread or breadsticks. It's cheesy and garlicky. This one was frozen last night. See these frozen pieces right here? This is the bottom of the crust, the top. Anyway, I just microwaved this piece and just want to show you the texture. So you got the little cheesiness going on inside. It's really hard to believe that this is grain-free. Contains nuts. That's the only allergen. Yeah, that's the only allergen in here. And dairy, sorry. Meanwhile, it's delicious. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Get it with a membership at glutenfreerecipebox.com.